In this video, I want to deal with hyperlinks, both internal and external. I'm in the content editor. I'm going to open up the editor window, and I put a paragraph in here so that it's something you can actually see that has some actual content in it. I've added this paragraph, and there's a lot of opportunities to add links in here. And you can read through it, but it says we have the academic calendar where you can view significant dates and events. You can visit our admissions page for more information. ECTC is also partnered with Western Kentucky University. More information in the college. You can use the contact us form. So there's quite a few opportunities to add hyperlinks in here, and this is really a good idea. If you're putting information on the page and they want more information about that specific subject and you think it's appropriate, add a link to it. Links are a very positive thing. They get people where they need to go quickly and efficiently. So up here at the top, you can see over here at the left, this is a SiteCore link. This one here is for external links, and I'm going to do at least one of each, so that you have the opportunity, you know everything that's involved. Here, first opportunity I have is the academic calendar. Now, one of the things that's best to do, it's kind of like a basic premise, is to try to take more than just a word, like calendar, and turn it into a link. You want a phrase if you can. So I'm going to accept the academic calendar. And I've highlighted it now. And I'll go up here, and since this is going to be something that is on our website, so it's within SiteCore, I'm going to use the SiteCore link. And I'm going to click here. This window will open and allow me to, just show you, allow me to browse to the area that I want to link to. There's the academic calendar. I select it here. You can see it's highlighted with a little bar around it. And then I say link. And there you go. You have a hyperlink. Now, one thing you must do anytime you create a SiteCore link, go back to your link, right click on top. By the way, you've got the option to remove the link. If you goofed up, you can remove it here. Click on Set Link Properties. Now, really shouldn't be anything you want to change here except this. This tooltip is for people with disabilities, and that really does need to be filled in. Most of the time, you will be able to just copy and paste in. You don't have to do a paste as text thing. You can just copy this text, paste it down here so that it's not only the link text, but it tells the person where this goes. So be explanatory there. And I'm going to say OK, and we have one link done. All right. Now, another thing, if you're doing an external link, it's a good idea. I have another browser window open in the back here, and the reason it's a good idea is I really recommend that you browse to the site that you want to link to, so that you're absolutely sure there's no typos in the URL and steal the address out of the address bar, which I'm going to do, so no panic. I'm going to take Western Kentucky University here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn this into a hyperlink. I was going to take it all, but I think I'll take that. Okay. Highlighted it. And I'm going to come here, and this is a hyperlink. Because it's nothing I can link to within SiteCore, I have to use the hyperlink manager here. Now, it's asking me for the address. Recommend, because it's real easy to forget and leave that in there, and then it won't work because you'll have two http:// in there. So delete that out. Go to your open browser window. Go to the site that you'd like to link to. I'm going to link it directly to the main page. All you have to do is just click up here, copy, go back to your editor here, right click, paste, and that is in there. Don't worry about the existing anchor. The link text is what you highlighted down here, as you can see. what you highlighted to be used as the text that's going to be a link. Target. This is something that you kind of have to use a judgment on. If you want people to be able to jump off and look at information, exit that window and come right back where they were, you would want to use, you would want to open it in a new window so that they can browse this information. When they get done with that, they can close that window, go back to their original page. If you're linking in a SiteCore link, it's all going to be internal, so there's no reason to do this. But external links, sometimes you will want to use a new window. Okay, so drop down your target, select new window. It'll put the code in for you. Tooltip is the same as before, with the exception. Anytime you're going to open a new window, if you do the new window option, you will need to tell people with disabilities that this is going to happen. Believe me, it's needed. They need to know that if they click a link that it's going to change to a new window, so they understand that they need to look at the navigation structure differently. So simply put your tooltip in, put a comma, and then put this link opens a new, if I can spell, browser window. And don't worry about the class right now, mostly to do with images. And that's it. I'm going to say OK. That's just two of them I've created. One is an internal SiteCore link to a page that you know is in SiteCore. One is an external link that goes to an external source. And I'm going to accept this. I'm going to save it. I'm going to the Publish tab, and I'm going to click on Preview so I can show you exactly what's going on here. Okay, here's my page. There are my links. Now I'm going to click on this one just to check it out, make sure it works, and sure enough, I went straight to the academic calendar page. Click back. Now I want to see if this opens in a new window and takes me to the right address. Okay, here's a new window, WKU. I can exit the window. I'll be right back on the page where I started. So use it when appropriate. Do what you need to do. And I think that's it for now.